The Lloyds Card Reader allows small businesses and freelancers to securely accept card payments. First, download the Lloyds Bank app on your smartphone or tablet and link it to your Lloyds business account. Next, pair the card reader via Bluetooth through the app's settings. To activate the device, power it on, enter your PIN if prompted, and ensure it's connected to the app for transaction mode. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is essential for reliable performance. This setup process typically takes about 30 minutes. Enhanced security features, including biometric authentication and real-time fraud detection, are integrated for compliance with UK payment services regulations. To process a payment, start by inputting the transaction amount in the Lloyds Bank app. Then prompt the customer to insert or tap their card on the reader. The device supports EMV chip cards, contactless NFC payments, and QR code-based transactions. The card reader scans the card and verifies the payment with the bank, displaying approval on both the reader and the app. Finally, print a digital receipt or reconcile the transaction in the app dashboard. If you encounter errors, try restarting the device or checking your network connection. Occasional app glitches can occur during peak times. If issues persist, contact Lloyds Bank support. Ensure the reader is charged for 8 to 10 hours battery life.